Hello. So today I wanted to share this fun little project with all of you on ways you can recycle your stems from Dollar Tree. I am one of the first people that started to take off the flowers and make shapes out of them. So if you have not seen those video tutorials, you want to click the link, which is the playlist, and see all the different shapes. I was the original creator of that owl wreath, and so many people have recreated it, and I got lost in my cancer journey and not able to share it. But now I want you all to see all the things that you might have missed, especially if you're a new subscriber. So the playlist is listed below, but I'm going to put the link in the description so it's really, really easy for you to get to it. But today what we're working on is just adding some cute tinsel to these. So yesterday, if you did not see this video, this is the Poinsettia candy cane wreath. I thought it was so adorable, and I wanted to share what we can do with all these leftover stems that we have. Now, I also did, because we were doing the owl wreath, I also made a butterfly. We did a sugar skull. So there were a lot of things we did with flowers and their faces and their shapes. And we had a lot of these left. So I made a candy bouquet with these as well. So I'll post that video below as well. So if you have a birthday coming up, you could make a bouquet of candy. So for this one here, I thought, well, what could we use these on with the holidays? And around Christmas time, you can buy these little picks like this, maybe at, Michael's or Joann. But this pick would probably go anywhere from $6.99, maybe $4.99, half off, to $53, but you can make them yourself with your leftover stems. So all you need is some tinsel. This is Dollar Tree tinsel, and your leftover stems. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these. You can put them in floral displays. You can cut them just like we cut them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut one of these and just show you. So I'm going to cut one. And say, for instance, you made our beautiful poinsettia wreath, and you wanted to add a little more sparkle in there, all you have to do is make these and add them in there. How cute is that? So let's get started on how you make these. So all you need for this project is some wire. Now this is jewelry wire, but Dollar Tree does sell the green floral wire. I've seen it there. I've purchased it there. So you'll need that. And if maybe you come up with something else, maybe if you want to use a small zip tie if you have them, just something to tie it and make it easy. But I find the wire to be the easiest thing to do. Of course, you're going to need some tinsel. You're going to need your leftover stems, some snips, which make it easy to cut your wire, and a hot glue gun. So here's what we're going to do. All you have to do is, I have this tinsel already cut, but I want to make one with the silver, and let's see how that one looks. So all I did was take my fingers and I went around 1, 2, not quite 3, but like 2.5. So you can make these as big or as small as you want them in there, so it looks like a little pom-pom. Then what I did was, I took just a little bit of my wire, and if you have arthritis or something, of course you want to make it longer so that you can wrap it, and all I did was wrap it around. You're not going to see the green if you use it. I took a dab of hot glue. Okay, we're just adding a dab in the center. Press that together. Okay, just press it, press it, press it. Now you have a little garland ball. And we are going to add a little bit. That's why I said if you don't use the leaves, because you're not going to see them in your poinsettia wreath anyway, I would say just do it this way. Press it down and hold it. And there is your first one. Okay, so let's take the tag off of here. Sometimes these are a little hard to rip, but you want to keep your leaf on here, your leaf, I should say. Let's do another one. Super duper duper simple. You can cut these like further down, and you can put them in a floral display like real flowers if you wanted. So again, I just took my hand, and I have a big hand. 1, 2, and then you stop at the top on 3, so you don't go all the way around, because I noticed that the thicker they are, it's kind of hard to make them look like a little pom-pom flower. Okay, so we're just going to cut this. And I would say I'm using about 2 inches. And wrap it around the center. Let's add a little hot glue in the center here. Press it. And then we're going to Add that there. And now we have 2 done. So now if I wanted to, because like I have these little berries here, I could take these little berries out too. Like I say, don't waste anything. If you have like a little berry or you have something, you can easily push that in your center with some hot glue. And I also see that they have like a whole strand of berries. Look how cute that looks. So you can do this with your full thing. So I'm going to finish this up and I'll show you how it looks when I come back. I am all finished with our little silver tinsel pom-poms made with our recycled stems from Dollar Tree. Of course, we had 9 of them because that's what it took to make the poinsettia wreath. This video is below in the tutorials. And just 2 things that I wanted to tell you all. When you put these on and you fold it and you put your hot glue in between, make sure that you add some hot glue up where your wire is before you put it on your flowers. So your stems here are going to secure it into place, but the tip of it where you put your, like right here, where you put the tip, you have to put a little bit of hot glue so that they're not flopping around on you. And yes, I had one of these, so that is how I put my other little berries in here. And of course, when you buy these, you get this little greenery here, and that was all I put here. And I thought it would be kind of fun just to add a few accents here and there. So you would do the same thing. You would just take your little leaf off of here and give yourself enough room so that you don't burn yourself putting your hot glue on. And we're just going to add, and you don't have to do them all. Maybe you just want to accent a few of them. Because if you ever noticed when you go to the store and you buy these different things, not all of them have the same. Some of them have a little bit more embellishment than another. So how cute are these? We have them in several colors, and you could do them in gold, you can do them in blue, you can do them in another pretty little color. With like they have the tinsel with all the little different colors, and I think they would be so adorable. And you can put these in like a real flower display, and you can just divide them up and put your flowers around it. So until tomorrow, this was our project for today. Bye now.